Hey everybody, it is April 1st and we are ready to start getting seeds started for the start of the growing season. And we have a lot of stuff prepared for what we need to grow as part of the Survival Seeds collaboration. The Survival Seeds collaboration is a collaboration that we run where we send a pack of seeds to anyone who makes an entry video. And then as a community, we all grow seeds together, and we're trying to teach people that you can grow food for yourself no matter where you live, what growing zone you're in. If you have a big yard with a huge garden or just a little balcony in your apartment, you can grow seeds in a pot, in a bucket, in the ground, in a garden bed. There's so many different options, and anyone can grow, and that's what we're trying to teach.
Alright, so today we are looking at what we're growing. So as she said, the Survival Seeds collaboration, we will ship you seeds to your door for free. Just make an entry video. I think we have a video up about that if you're interested in joining the collaboration and getting 12 packs of seeds for free. But we have a bunch of these packs, and we're going to go through all of them and then explain what we're going to do today, because it is April 1st. There's so much dog hair in my arm.
You were cutting the dog. Of the 12 seeds, you get to choose any of the seeds you want to grow. How many do you have to, like, is there a minimum of how many you're going to grow?
Grow 6. If you want to grow more, you can. We're going to do 10 out of 12.
But you have to grow at least 6.
Grow 6.
So
the first group is the phase salads. We're going to start planting these, it looks like every 2 weeks, beginning April 16th or 17th. And this is the black-seeded Simpson lettuce, classic vegetable mix. I'm not really sure what that's. And the bunching onion, this guy.
This year we decided that for onions, we're not going to do any of the big onions. We usually do when we grow some really big onions, but last year we were so busy we didn't get to harden them off, and we didn't get to utilize the onions, so they ended up they ended up going bad. So this year we're just going to do little onions in phases.
The next group, we're going to direct sow these. We're going to direct sow the beets, the spinach, the parsley, the 16th and 17th of April. Celery is going to be May 14th. Basil, corn, and kidney beans is going to be May 28th with the squash. And these are the ones we're growing. The Italian giant parsley is part of a seed pack that we are giving away every month. It's the Italian blend from Sweet Yard, which is the company you're getting your free seeds if you're a collaborator through Survival Seeds Collab. We're also doing a monthly giveaway through the Survival Seeds Collab, and if you tune in to our live stream every last Sunday of the month at 6:15 Eastern Time, we give a bunch of stuff away.
We're live every Sunday, but the giveaway is
last Sunday. The last Sunday of the month. And
before you keep going,
no,
oh, go ahead.
No. And one of the giveaways is the Italian seed blend from Sweet Yards, and you have an opportunity to win this every month.
Now, before you keep going again. These dates that she's saying for when we are planting these seeds are not random. They're based off of the moon phases. And we found we found these dates from the old Farmer's Almanac. You just put in your zip code, and then it'll tell you when the ideal dates to plant each plant is based on the moon phases in your area. So, which I think is really cool.
Greenhouse Direct.
These are all the plants we're growing in the greenhouse.
Thank you. We're going to be direct sowing these in the greenhouse on April 15th. It's the broccoli and the kale. Kale, broccoli, and artichoke.
Oh, there we go.
April 1st is the one we're going to do today. Stop interrupting me. Today we're going to be doing some indoor seed starts, and to do that we use paper towels and plastic bags. We're going to be doing the tomatoes and the peppers today. So we have aroma tomato, an heirloom pink brandywine tomato.
Those are good.
A pepper.
I don't know how to say it. It's Italian.
Calendar bell pepper for Survival Seeds 2026. Marconi red sweet pepper. This is another Italian pepper.
Macaroni.
And a hot pepper. This is our jalapeno. And because we're growing so many peppers, we're not going to be growing the shishito pepper that comes in the Survival Seeds pack, which again you can get for free if you make an entry bid.
And then we have some indoor starts that we're going to start on May 21st. Some butternut squash, cucumbers, watermelon, cantaloupe, and zucchini. The zucchini's in there. Woohoo.
Alright, so with that out of the way, we can do the seed starts. So this is the tomatoes and the peppers. We're not going to do all of them on camera, but we can get them started. So if you want to do an indoor seed start, and the advantage of this is having like strong seedlings by the time you're okay to plant outside. So we start a little bit early than you would to direct sow these, because it just goes much better if you start them indoors. So why did you open that?
I'm trying to help.
You dropped one. You dropped two. There's so many. I hope you feel helpful.
No.
Alright, so you take a paper towel and you put it in the Ziploc bag. These are a little smaller than the ones we usually use, so we can kind of...
I'm not good at this part of the process. I do the carrying the dirt bags and stuff, building the garden beds, but the little seeds are too small for me. I can't do it.
Girl. And then we can go like that. There we go. Yeah. No, don't.
That.
Like that. Okay.
That way it catches more.
Alright, and then you're going to put that
I did origami in
down.
elementary school.
I did not, and I never learned how.
And now you've made a swan. Not really.
No.
I should make grains again. I was good at those.
I wanted to sit a little bit diagonal, and it's not sitting diagonal, but basically you just get it in there. And then you put a little bit of water on, and you don't want to like flood it, which is why I'm kind of worried about this, but my hands shake so bad. Oh, that is certainly watered. I'm gonna close it and give it a sec, and then I'm gonna dump out the rest in like a cup. So now the paper towel is totally damp. The rest can be out. Stop!
Squeeze a little bit of it out. Well, you got it really, really
Last
soaked.
time you tried to help, you put seeds on the floor.
Mari ate it.
Lovely.
Come here, Mari.
Okay, so now with that out of the way, we can just pour this in between that flap to make sure that it's like getting inside the pocket. That did not all go in there. Okay. And so even the ones that like did not make it inside the pocket are on the paper towel, which is good because the paper towel is going to keep them moist. Then we close the air out of the bag and we close it. And then we tape it to the window because I tried to put it on a heating mat and I cooked them all. So we're going to put them on the window so that the sun can warm them up and then it's not going to cook them. So that's one. Now we got to do, I think, 5 more.
And we can probably do the rest of them off camera now that you've shown how to do it.
Yeah, go ahead.
So yeah, that's our plan for the garden this year. We're not going to use the little survival seeds garden, but
yes,
that's what our plan is. We're going to grow all of these. We have all the dates plotted out. We know what we're going to be growing. Hi, Mari. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to join the Survival Seeds collaboration, you can make an entry video, tag hashtag Survival Seeds 2026. 2026. And we'd love to have you as part of the community. And we'll get you your free 12-pack of seeds. Oh, Mari. Thank you guys for watching. Don't shake your hair everywhere,
gross.
Mari.
Dude, I'm gonna wear this out.
Wearing black jeans. Or a white dog. Here's the joke. She crawled over there like, I was never under the table. I don't know what you're talking about. I was right here the whole time.